Hey everyone, we're back in the shop. So I had to pause on the walls for the moment because I was down to my last sheet of plywood. However, I did have the supplies to start on the first built-in workstation that I'm gonna have, which is the miter saw station. Here's a very rough layout of what I'm gonna be building. Now, this is flat and it's not accounting for the recessed area for the saw. And I was just laying it out because I like seeing what I'm going to build before I do it. So this is gonna be going right under that window.
It should really go without saying, I have no idea what I'm doing, so you probably shouldn't use me as a learning resource. I'm about to make a lot of mistakes.
This is actually really cool. This one headlock bolt is holding this entire thing. This thing seemed pretty nice. I wonder if 4 will be overkill. So I realized as I was about to mount up this bad boy that I screwed up. So I mounted the center piece that holds the miter saw first. And while technically with the plywood on the top, this would all line up and give me the 3.5 inch depth that I need, this would no longer be 3 feet tall and line up with the tables that are going to be over there. So I'm going to go ahead and mount this up as it should be for a 3-foot table height, and then we're going to pop this section off and reinstall it at the proper height. There it is. It's the start. And there it is. So this miter station is not done yet. It is just functional. I do have some plans. I don't have the materials yet, nor do I know what I'm gonna get yet, to add a fence with some maybe T-track stops on either end. I have to figure that out. I'm not quite sure which direction I want to go yet. I do think behind the fence, I'm going to have a raised step shelf for storage of various things. So this isn't done yet. It is going to help us build the next step. Now the next step is gonna be this. So over here, there's gonna be a lot of stuff. I'm talking grinder, sanders, bench, drill press probably. So this is gonna be the next big step. And after all, we still need to find a place to put that thing. So there's a lot going on right now. I am so excited to finally be building workshop installations. It's no longer just doing the walls, although they're not done yet. We'll get there. All right, that's it for now. Keep an eye out. We're gonna start working on this shop really hard. Gonna get some more workbenches put in, gonna get the bandsaw put into place, the planer put into place, start on dust collection even maybe. So there's some big things moving right now. This was just something I needed in order to do the rest.
Like and subscribe for more of our videos in our workshop working.